Hopefully you're coming to this blog before you've actually signed an agreement of sale with respect to the purchase of your real estate. If you have not done so, you want to make sure that we have some form of due diligence in that agreement of sale to make sure that the zoning requirements will be met prior to your purchase of the real property. If unfortunately you're coming to this blog after you've signed your agreement of sale, you're going to want to contact an attorney to address those specific zoning issues. In Pennsylvania, what you will need is either a zoning variance, a special exception, or conditional use from your local zoning board, or in the case of a conditional use, from your local municipal governing body. A variance in Pennsylvania is actually quite difficult to achieve if going by the rules as defined by the Pennsylvania Municipal Planning Code. However, I would point out that if you are seeking a variance, an experienced attorney such as us, or such as our firm, would be perfectly capable of helping you attempt to obtain that zoning variance. With respect to the purchase of your residential or commercial real property in zoning, if you are seeking a variance, you're going to need to file a zoning application with your local municipality. The zoning application will be filled out by you, or if you have an attorney, we will help you fill out such form, and you can take that along with the required fee, which is different in each municipality, to that local governing body, and a zoning hearing will be scheduled. The zoning hearing goes before something called a zoning hearing board. The zoning hearing board is actually an appointed governmental judicial body that hears these specific zoning relief requests. In the case of a zoning variance request, the zoning board will make a determination after reviewing your application and a hearing in which you will have the opportunity to put on evidence, you will have testimony, and most likely the zoning hearing board will have the opportunity to have their zoning officer testify about their opinions regarding the local zoning ordinance and the nature of the relief you're requesting. It's also possible that some neighbors, those who have an adjoining property interest or that would be considered to be affected by the actual zoning variance you're requesting, would have the opportunity to testify and the ability to present evidence to address your proposed zoning relief. This is where you can often see local neighbors becoming quite agitated, or there can be particular issues if they decide to intervene in favor of or against your zoning request. In light of the difficulty and the nature of zoning hearings and their somewhat esoteric nature, it is recommended that you contact an attorney prior to a zoning relief request. We can help you navigate the particular problems with respect to whether you would need a variance, a special exception, or a conditional use. Additionally, we can help you get in contact and speak with the local officials to make sure that we are following all proper procedures and that your zoning relief will be granted in a way that is favorable to you.